SoCal Creek Freak. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the SoCal Creek Freak page. We're out here today at Lake Balboa in LA County, North San Fernando Valley. It's a reclaimed water area, but you know, a good place to catch different species. Here there's some largemouth bass, tilapia, maybe some catfish, some plecostomus dinosaur fish up in here. So we're gonna see what we're gonna catch today. Let's go. What'd you get, Ben? Dude, that's a largemouth bass. Put your finger in the mouth. It's all good, it's all good. Here, I'll do this.
Yeah, can you
No, I'll get this, Okay, you get the hook out. Okay, now put your rod to the side and come back. Do just like I'm doing. More, deeper. Deeper. Check you out, dude. Largemouth bass, Lake Balboa. First cast. You didn't even let it fall very long. That's a good one, too. What do you think of that largemouth bass?
Hey, that's a good one.
It is.
She got the aluminum fish bat.
Oh, man. Knock him out. Well, he's not a keeper, so send him back to his home. Way to go, dude. Throw that Nightcrawler out there. Fly lining a Nightcrawler for some bass. Reel it a little bit. Don't muscle them too much. Over here fishing under the bridge for some tilapia. Stand up, Ben, if you can. Stand up, stand up. Don't muscle them too much, let them get tired. Reel if you can. Oh, it's a nice one. Bring it this way. This way, this way, this way, with the tip. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Reel it, reel it, reel it. More, 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 more. All the way, all the way, all the way. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Nice! Check this out, dude. That is a new species called a tilapia, and that's big, dude. Yeah.
Where?
By the lip.
Right here?
Yeah. More. Hold it tight. I gotta get the hook out.
No, it's very wiggly.
Okay, we'll pop. What'd you catch, Ben?
A tilapia, a big old ginormous one.
All right, Lake Balboa. Okay, let's get this thing.
Do the measuring.
And we'll do it through the gill. Okay, let it go from the lip thing.
Almost a pound.
Okay, almost a 1 pound. Okay, grab him by the lip. Grab him, okay. Well, you gotta go back, you're wiggling. Yeah. Okay, don't go that way, go that way.
Can you measure?
Already good.
No, like the tape measure.
We don't have.
It does.
Where?
On the side.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't know. Hold the bottom of this. I didn't realize we had that. Okay. Well, pull it down more. More. No, the tape. It's like an 11, almost 12-inch tilapia. Okay, let him go, dude. Carefully. Gone. Over here fishing Lake Balboa under the bridge. Caught us a 12-inch, 1-pound tilapia. Turn it that way. Off the special corn bait and power bait floating. I mean, bobber floating. Nice. Good catch.